This week, the contestants head to the beach, but it's not for fun. And yoga is the choice of workout as we try to relax them. But first, let's see how they've been getting on.
At my teammates, they are actually getting into the exercise program. It's a little bit more rigid. I am ensuring that they do all the exercises properly and do the amount that they are supposed to do. Let's go. So we start with your clean and press. We're going for 10. Please count your 10. Begin.
Week 6 of game, step up now. Master Brian is in real exercise mode now.
Things are definitely getting a little harder. My body's kind of used to the workout, so it's really no time to step it up in terms of intensity. I've been trying that because I know without the extra work, I'm not going to really see the results.
We take a break from just straight cardio to do a cardio circuit, which is, using more weights, but just the bar, not heavy weights.
As easy as it looks, it's not.
You're right.
Jesus. No man,
They need to use whatever muscle fiber they have to burn fat calories, and that's not an easy thing because they already have developed muscle.
The second bar now is a lot better for me. I can manipulate that much easier.
I wouldn't say it's being harder on us or on me, but it's just about, get fine-tuning things in terms of what we are to do to expect the results.
Sativa has been pushing me. She now make me go under the 20 drills that we're supposed to do. She ensure that we do all of the 20. We're working, we synchronize, and it's working. And I'm happy for her that she's beside me and she can push me. It helps a lot.
Watching Ron do some of the exercises are funny. I take that as my own entertainment.
When we start the lifts with the knee, that's the hardest one to me.
I think he zones out, and him have this look over his face. He's not listening to anybody or paying attention. And, you have to directly be in front of him to get his attention. Hey, pull under. Look where she's pulling. Good.
Sometimes, depending on what I'm doing, I can get lost in the exercise, which is very good for my mental health because, I take away work for a second, take away the house for a second and just focus on myself and how I'm going to push.
Gym went well. I kept to the diet, didn't try anything outside of that.
I didn't really get to work out a lot this week because work was really busy.
This was like the first week I didn't feel like I was praying. I lost weight. I felt good like, I lose weight a week,
Really seems to be like enjoying the whole fact that Big Pop is ahead and he's right there behind him and so I think that's a good idea.
Last week when I see him post a video saying I'm going to Elshire. I said, boy, I'm put in the work, so I have to put in some extra work.
I decided to give them something different. I'm trying to get Elise out of her shell.
My confidence level is rising slowly. Mood-wise, that's been up and down.
She's been in a better frame of mind and it seems like she thinks that she's ready to do some work.
Most of the things that we were doing is kind of similar to what Master Brian has us do in his kickboxing class.
Willie was just enjoying it, but Willie really thought that he was he's a big boxer, that him have it in him and him ready.
I feel like I could have probably do boxing like a past life or something. I have the whole, movement.
I gave him some leg raises on the machine and I'm like, Willie, you can do this. I'm like, no, I can't manage my weight. I said, no man, you can do it. Single leg.
I changed up the thing for me.
You can't do it. See, man. Are you near Willie Bounce,
I struggle. But I don't know if I'm going to ever have a six-pack, My nice little keg.
I do like 2 and I'm like, no man, I have to go practice every day. Yes, Willie, looking good. Yeah, man. Yes, keep going, Willie. And I'm like, no, you can't do it. Do it now. You can't give it 10. And him struggle, but him give me the 10. So, you see, they just need a push.
The plan from last week was to give a little bit more boot camp training.
I said to Siobhan, I want you to
turn up the workout a little bit more. Because I understand say I try for, for make, carrying the ball and thing and right, but I tell you, say, brother, the weeks I'm done now, so you need to put in the chevron on me know. Karen, with Karen now, I don't think things are going well. I think it's basically getting to her because she's not losing the weight as though she is. She wants to lose it. But if you're not coming to the gym, you're not working out, well, I don't know what's going on when she's not here. With a person like this, I take determination different. You understand? So I just feel like, say, I could have done more and I could have done better. You understand? Both of them have a lot of weight on their upper body. So they need to strengthen them upper body. So I formulate the program put into that.
The tire throws were challenging in the sense that he wanted me to get it over the wall. So when Big Pop started the workout, it obviously was easier for him to swing the tire over. I had to run and go get them, and then as soon as I finished running to get them and he finished his 10, I had to then immediately start flinging them over. And as soon as I started flinging them over, then I had to go to the bar. So there was no rest period, not even a breather.
It was like telling the tire to go over. I think it will more go over by Karen's voice because that is the strongest part on Karen. So she more say, tire, get over. You don't more go over, but using strength, I don't think she's gonna get that like that.
I didn't come to the gym this week, and I didn't want him to feel like I wasn't giving him my all, but it was rough.
The pull-ups is not just the upper body alone, it's both legs and upper body. The pull-ups, that was the killer. That was the killer. Because when I do the 20 pound one foot, the next foot feel a long time for you reach 15. So when Trevor's a change over, it's like I can't even move the foot.
I don't think I would have been able to do it 3 weeks back. So I see the progress in my strength and even at home when I'm climbing the stairs at my house, I'm not sounding like Darth Vader anymore. To God be the glory.
On the other side of the break, we get into the contestants' head and they learn a little bit about the art of yoga. Losing It will be right back.